US President Donald Trump faced a fresh backlash on Tuesday for removing his mask when he returned to the White House and for urging Americans not to fear COVID-19 that has killed more than 209,000 people in the country and put him in the hospital. Trump arrived at the White House on Monday in a made-for-television spectacle in which he descended from his Marine One helicopter wearing a white surgical mask, only to remove it as he posed, saluting and waving.
As your leader, I had to do that. I knew there's danger to it, but I had to do it. I stood out front. I led. Nobody that's a leader would not do what I did. And I know there's a risk, there's a danger, but that's okay. And now I'm better, and maybe I'm immune. I don't know. But don't let it dominate your lives. Get out there. Be careful. We have the best medicines in the world, and it all happened very shortly, and they're all getting approved, and the vaccines are coming momentarily. Thank you very much. And Walter Reed, what a group of people. Thank you very much.
Trump, who was treated by an army of doctors and received experimental treatment, has reportedly downplayed a disease that has killed more than 1 million people worldwide and left his own country with the highest death toll in the world. The Republican president running for re-election against Democrat Joe Biden in the November 3rd election was admitted to the hospital on Friday after being diagnosed with the disease. Trump has reportedly flouted social distancing guidelines meant to curb the virus spread and ignored his own medical advisors. He also mocked Biden at last Tuesday's presidential debate for wearing a mask at events, even when he is far from others. His decision to remove his mask after climbing the staircase to the White House and his insistence that Americans should not fear the disease horrified some physicians. A White House spokesperson said every precaution was being taken to protect the president and his family. Physical access to Trump would be limited and appropriate protective equipment would be worn by those near him. Questions continue to swirl about the true state of Trump's health after a weekend in which his doctors offered contradictory or opaque assessments of his condition.